Have you ever thought about switching up your hairstyle? In this episode, we are uncovering the most trendy hairstyles of 22. I'm your host Rasmus, and this is Slikhaar TV. Business in the front and party in the back. You probably heard about it. It's the mullet, and it's a hairstyle that I'm rocking myself 10 years ago. Today, I know it's a hairstyle that comes in super fast, but it goes out of style even faster. So think an extra time before you're getting the mullet. It's just, in my opinion, a fast-going trend and not something that will last forever. Coming up next is the hairstyle with curtains. It's a hairstyle most people can rock. I'm thinking about two ways to have it. One of the ways is keeping the side trimmed nice and tight. It could be both skin fades, but I recommend taper fades. The other way is the classic look. I'm thinking Christian Bale-like, maybe American Psycho or one of his Batman movies. He will have the curtains going on the top, and then he will slick it back so all the energy goes throughout the hair to the back. And that's kind of the two looks. I don't recommend anything over another, but I think if you're going with the trim sides, you're definitely the more young audience. And if you're going with the longer sides, you're more like the, I would say, in the professional and older audience. And I like both. It's two different styles, but kind of with same ground foundation with the curtains. Skin fades. What is going to happen with that special haircut that you need to maintain every week? I'm thinking that it's going to go out of style and it's going to be replaced with fades in general, maybe starting from 3 millimeters going up. And one of the reasons is that it's like a trend. Sometimes it goes and sometimes it comes. Right now, it's time for some change. Coming up next is the Fringe hairstyle. We're talking about hairstyles where the hair is hitting the front of the head. It comes in many ways. There's the French crop, where you are having a short top, short sides, and you'll just style it into the front, and it will have a very linear edge to it, and you have to have a certain style in order to rock this type of hairstyle. Then there's the TikToker, where you're having a long top, also maybe a little bit of some sides, and you just style it to the front. Now to a hairstyle that has been super popular throughout time, and now it's going to make its presence once again. It's a quiff hairstyle. It's long in the front, it has a wavy touch to it, and it's super elegant and stylish. You can rock it like on work, at school, and just hanging out with friends. It's just a hairstyle that is super classic and timeless. So check it out. Now to the last hairstyle, and of course I like to take credits for that one. It's just a super classic hairstyle where you have tapered the sides so it's nice and neat, and a little bit longer top. And when I'm talking about longer top, we are doing about 10-15 centimeters. So I have a lot of options. I can do both a quiff hairstyle, I can do the classic one slick back, I can do curtains, I can basically manage to pull off most of the hairstyles, just with some small refinements, of course. Right now I could use a trim, so I get the sides shortened a little bit, and just cut the edges of my top. And guys, remember, style is personal. It's not my opinion that matters. It's really about you picking the hairstyle that you feel good about. A hairstyle that expresses who you are, your style, and you just can look in the mirror and say, I like that guy. And when you like that guy in the mirror, it's all about confidence, and you can go out conquering the world. With that said, if you need more inspiration, you can go to all our other videos. We have plus 500 videos with hair inspiration. So go check it out. And also, you might like to hit that subscribe button so you can keep updated on what's the new in the hair trends. See you guys next time.